Welcome to this photography tutorial where we'll explore how to master your Nikon camera's exposure triangle. Understanding aperture, shutter speed, and ISO is crucial for creating well-exposed and creatively composed photographs. Let's start with aperture, which controls the amount of light entering the camera. A wide aperture like f/1.8 allows more light and creates a shallow depth of field, perfect for stunning portraits. On the other hand, a narrow aperture like f/16 lets in less light and increases the depth of field, ideal for capturing breathtaking landscapes. Next, we have shutter speed, which determines how long the camera's sensor is exposed to light. A fast shutter speed freezes fast-moving subjects, while a slow shutter speed can create artistic motion blur or capture low-light scenes. Remember to use a tripod for slow shutter speeds to avoid any unwanted camera shake. Lastly, let's talk about ISO, which measures the sensitivity of your camera's sensor to light. Lower ISO values produce cleaner images with less noise but require more light. Higher ISO values are useful in low-light situations but may introduce noise. Always aim to use the lowest ISO possible for the lighting conditions. Now, let's put it all together in a practical scenario. Imagine you're photographing a landscape during the golden hour, that soft and warm light just after sunrise or before sunset. For this scenario, choose a mid-range aperture like f/8 to f/11. This will give you a balance between sharpness and depth of field, ensuring your landscape is beautifully captured. To capture the stunning colors of the sky and any flowing water, use a tripod and experiment with slightly slower shutter speeds. This will add a sense of motion and create a more artistic effect in your landscape photograph. Start with a low ISO like 100 for this golden hour landscape. Adjust it if needed to maintain proper exposure without introducing noise. Remember, the goal is to capture the beauty of the scene while keeping the image clean and noise-free. Remember, these settings interact with each other, so adjusting one may require compensating with another. Practice and experimentation are key to mastering the exposure triangle and achieving the desired creative effects in your photographs. Make sure to refer to your Nikon camera's manual to learn how to adjust these settings specifically on your model, as camera interfaces can vary. Now, go out there and capture stunning photographs with your Nikon camera.